Wise people always do the different things. When people are on top gear, they shift it to reverse. When people are away from the business, they start new ventures. When people think gold and silver are the worst asset for investment, they buy these assets. When housing market is collapsed and people fear to invest or don't have money to buy, they start buying. Same way as economy is in recession, wise people should invest. Let us examine the scenario with a closer look. What they are buying right now. When market was crashed in the month of March and April, they have invested a hefty amount into the market as they found it cheaper. But right now they are just waiting in the sideline. Global economy is tumbled, GDP shrinked by 20 to 35% in the last quarter, but stock market bounced back, ignoring all the economic meltdown and symptoms. When market reflects economy, it becomes easier to take calculated risk on the basis of individual risk appetite and expectation. Right now scenario is totally different and we are witnessing divergence in economy and market valuation. In diverged scenario, taking decision and investing into the market is a risky proposal. Only very few global corporate leaders are buying bankrupt or small companies as a part of strategic acquisition. But there is no big investment in the market as consumption and demand got a hit. But what about the condition of India in terms of long term perspective? Is our country in a comfortable position or cannot say anything about it? When economy is in a dire situation, some important factors play the pivotal role to find the long term stability. Countries' debt to GDP ratio is very important to analyze the future stability in critical situation. Whether one country will be collapsed or bankrupted can be predicted based on these crucial parameters. In mid to long term, some other factors like growth, per capita income, expenditure, PMI, technological advancement, political power, size of the economy also play important role. But for long run, debt to GDP ratio gives the confidence to investors based on its position. According to the global data of debt to GDP ratio, some big economies like Japan, Italy, Singapore, United States may face severe consequences in future because of their high debt. If they are unable to manage the high debt and unable to retain current geopolitical power, then future will be catastrophic. We cannot predict the market in the short run. It may go up, it may go down, it can head anywhere. But in the long run, it will reflect the economy. Considering India's debt to GDP ratio, our long term future is comfortable and certain. One correction in the market to match the economy will bring back the opportunity for long term investment. India is really a good place for investment in terms of its possibilities and strong fundamentals.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss such knowledgeable videos from Growth Mantra. Also leave your comments below to let us know which topic would you like to watch in our next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed.